Try to every year get recording.
Has he talked to Mama yet?
They're all
Yes.
the same,
Okay,
dude.
Go.
Ooh! Because I was about to let it go.
Here, have an arrow.
This thing just exploded right in front of me.
Oh, gee.
I thought it was something light.
That's what I did the first time. I lit it. And I'm like, what the hell? It's a dud. It turns out you have to pull the string.
No, don't point it towards Grandma.
Oh, yeah. That was
Only towards the sky.
Oh, nuts.
Okay,
Excuse
trade
me.
me.
Oh, look at all this crap.
Caution,
Broom's
flammable.
back here, thank God.
Carefully read the caution on the back panel. No, I don't do that. I do not follow directions well.
That's not good, Dad.
I do not play with others well. Teacher said so.
Nuts.
If he would just apply himself, he would be a genius. Oh, you can't draw pictures like that in school.
Yeah, it was
Go to the
crazy.
principal's
The wait
office.
was about that. Yeah, so it wasn't all the way down yet.
Don't fix the mistakes in the textbook. Go to the principal's office.
I was like this one. I was like this.
Don't pull the string towards people's faces, son.
Point it up to the
Other than
ceiling.
that, to me, it's just
Stand back over a little bit or something. Not.
No, he's
Not-
alright.
There you go.
Alright.
Oh my goodness gracious sakes alive.
Now move this down.
What the hell is that here?
College building. My son
I
wanted
don't know.
You're supposed to know.
It was supposed to look like a gun and you just pulled the trigger, but you
But what
disassembled
if it
it.
blows up in your hand?
It's like 9-10 stories. Right on
That's
the
why
bay,
you
right there.
read instructions.
Oh no.
Clearwater.
Oh my god.
Is that where the headquarters is at?
Maybe that one Grandpa should set off,
Clearwater
son.
Beach. Or Clearwater.
Go away.
The beach is on
Go
that
for
side
it.
here. And it's right there where the bay is and stuff, and they went up on
It don't work.
July the 4th.
It might, when I pull this, it might blow my face off.
Off that bill.
You know what? Watch Grandpa's
Stand back.
face.
And you can see all the ricochet on the
Told ya.
water and all that stuff, so it was really neat.
That was right.
You okay?
Get there, you
Of
was
course.
In the middle of the fire,
Okay.
you know.
I'm just a kind of a chicken chip when it comes to fire in my face.
Well, yeah.
Really. I bet Teeter's in there cowering.
It was hard.
Well, point it up. Don't.
Don't
He
blink your-
scares me so much when he's like.
Yes.
Oh, you can too. Pull it, jerk it hard.
Aim your arm up and like.
Nope. Don't
Is that how
pick it
strong?
up. Must be a
Okay,
dud.
I told him you wrap it around your finger. That was a cheap shot.
There you go.
Dollar General brand fireworks.
Well, what can you expect, right?
Exactly.
Absolutely.
Yeah, some four-year-old girl in
Yeah.
Would you mind?
Don't try to
There you
get
go. You know me too well. You know I'm gonna try.
Yeah, but you don't have your glasses. Don't have glasses on. You don't want a Jack's face. You don't want any of that shit, do you?
Oh, don't be a mother.
You can't help it.
He who is
Like
angry?
a mother's hen.
Yeah, come on. How often do I get to play with candy?
Yeah, really. There you go.
Once a year.
Let's see.
Might be worth losing a hand.
No. Go.
Jack, you ready?
Yeah.
Get ready to cover your face, if you have to, Jack.
Remember, duck and cover.
Here you go, Dad.
Look, he's gonna move.
Watch out, Dad. You better duck and cover.
Oh, it popped.
I don't know what this does.
You're a frog boy.
Really?
That like it?
Ew, it's so
Okay.
Make your mom.
Yeah.
Hurry up, brother.
You're happy now.
Yes, happy. Mommy happy.
Safety first. Safety first.
Never too late to be cautious.
Oh my God. I can't do this.
You can't see now.
No, yeah, it's like right here's blind
Jack,
spot.
you gotta get away from there. Run, run.
Move back.
Be careful, don't run on wet paper.
I ain't gonna do nothing.
I can't.
Can't you pretend?
I just did for a second.
Wear them on top of your head or something.
I can't. Didn't know what to do.
Smoking may be hazardous to your health.
Are you having fun? Whoa, that was a big one.
Scared the hell out of me.
No more, Daddy. There's no more
Dad, do a
Okay,
different
which
kind.
one?
different.
Oh, that one?
Okay.
A cactus.
The cactus one.
Cattail or cactus?
Cactus.
Yeah.
Tequila pop.
Tequila.
All right.
Never had that. Over there at home, you put that bug in it. Can't bring that to me. Where you going, Jack? Don't move. Don't come to see it.
I see it.
Watch it. Watch it. Watch it. Oh, there it goes. Oh, that's pretty. Pretty bag.
Ooh. I like that one.
You like that pop?
Pop, what's that? Ooh. There's that smoke. Smell it? Sulfur and stuff. Good stuff.
Yeah, that one. Scary.
That's the scary one.
That one a rainbow one.
Yeah, my mom's waiting.
That one a rainbow. That one a duck.
Really? Somebody don't
That
bother Alan.
one is way, way bigger.
I wish I had a way to light like 10 of them all at the same time.
Watch out. No, you can't. You're off the side.
Well,
The deck. You're still
technically it's
off
possible.
Just in a
Yeah.
hurry.
I would have to do that with my mom not around though, because she'd freak out.
Yeah.
Right, Mom?
that. Yes.
See?
I don't know what you said, but yes. I agree to it.
Told you. Ah,
Right there.
right there does not help when I can...
On the, yeah.
Oh, that's a good shot. Ow. Couldn't have done that again if you tried.
The snake already bit him.
Yeah.
I'd love to smell fireworks in the afternoon.
Don't get it.
The other one off. And that one goes. Yeah. Cool.
Why
That
did
was
it?
cool.
Why did the fire come out of the bottom instead of the top?
Because I had two next to each other and it was starting to catch the other one on fire. That's stuff shouldn't do.
Don't know how much battery life or anything is left on that.
I wonder if they have their fireworks down here.
Oh, the flashlight?
They usually have a good
Yeah, they have to.
A lot of people are doing fireworks tomorrow, like downtown.
Yeah, this flash off is probably not. Because they usually have like a little like music down there, and I live close to that. So I live close to that. I just feel like it.
What are you doing?
I could
I'm setting up the couple.
Hey, Jack, come here.
Jack, come on back here.
Yeah, this is the danger zone sign. I'm just tying things together. Go. Be safe.
Yeah, they had one.
How many is that? 3, 4?
Hurry.
Over there in the field.
So so far.
Oh, okay, that's where it goes.
They had that.
You think I'm nervous?
Would you like to say hi to everybody?
Say hi, everybody.
I should say it.
You already said it? Okay, good boy. There goes Daddy again.
There was two.
The other might go off
You're the
now.
launch. So it's close though. It's like got a tiny little butt on it.
Do you want one of those other long lighters?
That might.
Whoa. You're out.
Yay!
Yeah, we got a couple little.
Birds? Well, yeah, I bet you would.
It was fun of 4th of July. If you didn't get burned, you didn't have fun. Wasn't good. It's a long lighter.
I heard somebody. There's somebody booming.
Yep.
Well, I knew
Yeah,
they would.
this
No,
is
Jack. You wait for your daddy.
You can point out which ones you would
Yeah,
want.
don't touch, just point.
This is Jitterbug.
Jitterbug, 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 jitterbug. You know that one, Jack?
God, no, he wouldn't. I barely know that. I'm old.
Jitterbug.
You're Papa.
Yeah, Papa's old. Yeah, I know that. But whatever.
I'm not either.
Papa's old.
I'm not.
He's old.
You see me walking with a cane?
No.
Well, I'm not old then.
No, answer your what, you wake
Yeah, I'm doing a big one.
He's gonna get big one, Jack. Uh-oh, yeah, I'm up towards our house. Plate.
I wish I had more weight in there.
Okay.
I don't know. Jack's got a lot of rocks up here.
Because I don't want it to start and go toward.
Well, no, I wouldn't either. Up here, right here, where JJ's standing, right there, it's cornered a bunch of rocks and different stuff you can throw inside here.
Magical rock. You know, water would have been a lot easier, come to think about it.
Still not gonna hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah. You're putting weights in the bottom of that bottle. Okay, now you can set it off. Ooh, just like that. Set the burns on fire.
But not your house.
Not your house. We'll put back tree.
Here we go.
There goes this house.
I was expecting like a big...
Yeah.
No.
Ta-da!
Thank you, Jack. That's what I needed.
Last year, year before, you had some that really big improvements. Yeah.
No.
This year,
But this year's like
a little tight. Not bad.
Not when you think, how many loaves of bread?
Diamond cutter.
And a dozen eggs.
Oh.
Yeah. Well, you buy you a bag of potatoes, your loaf of bread, and some eggs.
Probably didn't do the exact same thing.
Jack. Boom!
Ew, it's so pretty. Not. Okay. Too much love.
Any other day, the wind would be blowing
I gotta turn in my paperwork.
direction towards the east, like it always does.
It is.
Yes.
I pay $4.15 a month and went and pay.
This is still recording?
I don't know
Yes.
how you do it.
Wow.
It's tight. But
Okay, whatever
There's no
those
money left for
are.
food.
Solar flares.
That's what she's signing up for, but she needs to get her paperwork done.
which that's why I come over tonight.
Which Monday is closed, so you're gonna have to get that.
So you know, don't say you
I come over
boom.
tonight to put out paperwork, which I already did.
I don't
And
say
then
boom.
Tuesday I work 11:30 till 7, so
I really want to tie a couple together.
I'm gonna work. We'll go in the morning and put in the paperwork.
Yeah, when Jack come up here, Alan probably should have filled it out for 3 months, or the 2 months anyway that he's here,
All right.
you know.
I'm not sure how that would work.
I don't know.
I want bread.
What do you
You want a
want?
hot dog?
Bread.
You want bread?
I need bread.
Get him bread.
I need a piece of
There you
bread.
go.
See, that's what happens. He usually eats his bread in the Starbucks.
Deconstruction menu.
That's right.
He's just eating a raw bun.
Yeah. He's already had the hot dog.
Oh.
That's the other part of it. My niece, until she was 5 years old, never even touched bread. Her mother never did. She didn't know what it was. Very, you know, all over the veggies and all the good stuff. Well, Jack comes that way. You know, it's that. Ah, you don't want to go with people.
That is the only with the vegetables with the
No idea how this is gonna work.
Before touching. 5.
Dun, dun,
Uh,
we'll get out of it. What's that doing now? That looks bad. That looks bad. Back to the bone.
One of them sideways.
I didn't know if it was going to spitball the fire or some crap. That.
Flying around, aren't they? They can murder the cardi board.
It's good.
It smells good, yeah.
It actually went out.
You.
Which one next?
That little tiny thing? Big things come in little packages. June bug.
Yeah.
A June bug, a June bug, a June bug, a bug.
I thought I just did a green one.
The one over at Miss Briss, I guess she took off.
Yeah, I don't
Probably
think
because
she
of the
likes
fireworks.
Yeah, because of the noise and stuff. She said, I don't think so. That bun good?
Shooting bug and just fire.
My brother used to do that, but he'd smash it all up into a ball and eat it.
Yeah, that's what my sisters and brothers did.
Yeah, yeah.
I
Ball of bread.
I used to love it that way.
I used to like put butter on it and then sugar to make it so thick. I was, you know, like,
I used to like peanut butter and honey.
my dad still does that. And sometimes banana on it with it. There it goes. That's a June bug. Look at it. Looks like he's crawling. He's trying to get your dad. Uh-oh. You think? No, he's in.
Bug. Yeah, it's like, how did that resemble a June bug at all?
Didn't resemble it, did it?
They just made stuff. The flying eagle, the soaring fox.
Kaboom, kaboom.
I wish I had more money to buy some more extravagant.
No. Why? Because money is more important.
That's
That's why I
right.
said I wish I had more money, because if I had more money, I'd be able to say, okay, I'm setting this much aside to buy awesome fireworks. See?
30 bucks was not enough, huh?
Buying one.
No, it was not.
Alright.
That's fine.
Go on. Yeah. You want to take money out of your eBay? Go for it. I don't care.
I know, that's why...
I
What?
No, do
for a Honda
that one.
Rebel.
Don't you want to wait till it's a little darker to do with that one? Because that one's going to do spin tricks and like light up.
I like those things. I like them.
You don't like them?
I like them.
Oh, you do. Okay.
I know it's kind of hard to jack encyclopedia that.
For prosperity?
Hi, it's Grandma. Hi, buddy. Never know. There, Grandpa.
I see you.
I see you. Say hi, Grandpa.
No, this is going to be on the
Camera.
internet.
Hi, Grandpa.
No, I didn't mean now.
Hi, you are
You the Grandpa.
you, Grandpa.
I the Jack.
No, I, Jack.
I Jack. You Grandpa.
Yeah, all
No,
that.
I,
Yes, I
Jack.
bet.
You, Grandpa.
I know you.
No, I Jack. You Grandpa.
I, Jack. You, Grandpa.
No, you got it backwards, son.
He's like,
You, Jack, and I've been clever.
I'm Chet.
Now you said,
Sure I'm Chet.
now I be Grandpa and you be Seth.
Okay, you be Grandpa and I'll be Chet.
I was explaining to him the other day how you're Van Briggle, he's Van Briggle, I'm a Van Briggle, and Grandpa's a Van Briggle. Isn't that right? We're all Van Briggles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Related to Briggle. Famous Flemish artist.
It get this one. Jack, out of the two boxes, which box has more mass?
Seven.
Good job.
You think so?
He knows
You
all
could
that.
have
Yeah.
stopped with more. When you ask him the question, which has more? And he would pick that one.
No, more mass. Well, maybe more weight to
What?
it.
Real man.
You think?
That one.
He knows mass.
He does. He understands it. It was on a Paw Patrol. And
Okay. Which one has more mass, Grandma?
The biggest one doesn't have more mass. The smallest one does.
So Daddy had more mass. Thank you, Jack. The good boy.
Yeah, he knows who gives him cookies.
Oh, but he also knows who gives him everything he wants.
No, I don't give him everything he wants.
That refrigerator is full of more frozen
Yogurt.
Jack stuff.
No, I mean frozen popsicles and, oh, and he ate a whole pack of cheese sticks. Except for one.
He usually likes to save one just for emergency
Yeah,
situations.
but he doesn't know Grandpa is a famous cheese stick stealer.
Snap.
Hey, that'll probably be okay because that's got little stilts on it and stuff.
I'm just worried that he's going to think it's a trampoline.
I'm not a
to jump
tater,
on.
you're a tater.
No, you take it.
You're a tater.
Yeah.
No, you take
Well, it can't be very
Then
big.
you're a tater
It's
tot.
probably only about as big as your
No,
foot.
you take
Hard
it.
to see.
Well, you're a chicken McNugget.
No, you.
And you have to put
No.
the tubes together.
You have to. Me. You. Me. You. Me. You.
I'm going to see if you can judge by the holding it.
Well, that one's got to be bigger than that one, so I mean, if you take half the box, I don't know.
Yeah, take
You can go ahead and stop recording now
Oh.
since we're taking a break.
I don't know where stopping.
Oh.
So.
I'll probably stop.
Say bye, Jack.
Bye.
Camera ham.
Smile.
I thought it was ugly. I don't even live here. Here, slowly take one out at a time. Hold the bag. Go over on the sidewalk.
The day we got our
Road.
license,
Yeah.
I've been signed up for the job already, but they taking their in for our shots, and they said, right over here, every more this way. Yes, okay, so I went in this room, and they were like, you know, you don't talk exactly American, and don't even look like you're 16 years old.
Hey!
Say, can I go home now?
No, I got to go to the raves all over Europe and chase Al-Qaeda money. Al-Qaeda, they don't care
Almost dead.
what they do to you. They don't care if they have to get you hooked on drugs. They will make so much money at your folly. And so
Hey-yaw!
I was just showing up to the raves, follow the money trail, find the big guy, and on to the next rave. It was party after party after party, but oh, there was a lot of bad things that I saw.
You should show him your bullet wounds.
Oh, I was shot twice.
Yeah, he's got wounds.
No, thank you. Don't want to look at the man's body.
It's like in the leg and then an arm.
Leg there.
But I almost passed out when you showed me your leg.
Yeah, but this is yours, so it's held. Mine's like, ew. Little monster talker.
So 50% connect disability. I don't know if I even deserve it.
Yeah, you do. Our daughter-in-law, her brother,
On the
lost part of
sidewalk.
most of his hearing in one ear with one of the bomb things that went up his truck.
Oh, Tim.
No, Holly's brother.
Oh.
Yeah. So honorable. But they asked him and said, you still want to go back in and finish your tour? He said, yeah, I'll do it. So they did, and they finished it, and then, of course, now he gets all the benefits and everything else.
Gosh, when they asked me if I wanted to stay in, I didn't have a
Something that
choice.
hurts
I said
little
yes.
boys
I want to
because
stay.
it makes their
Have a
skin
good life,
bubble
Aaron.
off.
Yeah, yeah.
Their skin falls off. and
But they
it
know
gets on
better. You
fire.
know, he had a chance that he can. He stayed. I think he had like 6 more months or something like that.
Well, see, it was that word deniability. I didn't have to like lie and like say, no, I'm not in the Air Force, because I didn't even look like it or sound like it.
Yeah, yeah.
Big ones.
Damn.
That's the musical note you played
What's that?
with your finger.
Oh.
I don't know what he's hollering at him.
He's trying to do better than them.
That's louder than theirs, isn't it, Jack?
I'm sure I heard him say tater. Take that, tater.
Did you say take that tater, Jack?
No.
Like, what are you talking
Oh,
about?
I heard him. He's following you. He's crazy. Just
Crazy.
like you did.
Uh-oh, don't do the bubble wrap thing.
Yeah, really. Anything with that, right?
His mother's the exact same way. As soon as I get bubble wrap to wrap a package for eBay, all I hear is pop, pop, pop. I walk in and both of them are sitting with this giant ear-to-ear grin.
Yeah.
It's like, really? So I know what he loves for Christmas. Just give him a roll of bubble wrap.
You know
Yeah.
that now they make non-poppable bubble wrap.
I haven't heard that one.
Neither
I
have
just
I.
read that. Look it up at Google then.
I wonder how much that would cost.
This is her telling
I don't know why they would want to do something that terrible.
Huh?
to run everybody's blood.
I can see how its implication would work well on a mattress,
Oh, that's a big one.
but for just shipping an object, that seems to be too consuming.
Who?
Oh, I'm so lucky.
Only one, Grandpa. Don't be a hog about it.
Hey, you know what? If it wasn't for me, you wouldn't exist. You wouldn't even be walking.
Whoa!
He's like, whatever, pop, Grandpa. That's what I think about your theory of existence.
Shots.
Pop goes your hopes and dreams. Writing cruel lines like that is so fun to do, making screenplays.
Yeah, I could see something like that said on Big Bang Theory. Like, there goes your hopes and dreams.
Why not
Goes the weed.
Seinfeld?
Oh, I
they
love
don't
Seinfeld.
exist anymore.
That's true. He's out, isn't he?
Yeah.
I thought Big Bang Theory, this was their last season.
People trying to tell me.
I don't know. Jack, what are you doing?
I started down.
Can you put down a couple in a row and then step on them consecutively?
You
I
know,
said all at once.
Throw the bag on the ground and stomp on it.
no, don't say that. Bad grandma.
Does it have any life left in it?
I found.
Okay, go for it. Go for it.
1,
Let's hear it.
2.
I want you to go
You gotta sit there lining
Make it a nice pile or
Yeah, because this food isn't big enough to get all this.
Bigfoot could, but
Get Littlefoot.
Oh, Littlefoot. He had a bigger Bigfoot than Bigfoot.
That, going back to the Land Before Time reference.
Exactly.
well, he's making a nice little line.
Back before from young.
I said,
Yeah.
I love the trench coat. It's just so awesome on him. Just
Silly.
That reminded me of a joke that I heard when I was his age.
That is a nice.
you remember the joke from when you were his age.
What was the joke, Dad?
That's what you're looking for?
Well,
what's this?
I'm
Same
thinking
thing.
Dad was asking his son,
Yeah, I'm opening them. Yeah.
well, you don't do anything but hold
I can
hands
open it.
with a
I got
girl,
it so I can open it.
because if you do, you might end up with a whole bunch of babies to feed. And he says, oh, I know a way out of that. Dad said, well, what's that? He says, well, if she lays
You're
eggs, I'll stomp on them.
And you remember it.
Well, it's so ridiculous.
Wow.
What, the old bag?
Oh my God. Kid's gonna blow his toes off.
He's gonna go, watch this.
Yeah, go for it, buddy.
Hey, do that stuff.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I like that.
Ta-da!
There you go.
That's what you get, what?
Mayor.
Mater?
I said, that's what you get, Mayor.
Neighbor?
Neighbor? Huh? That's what you get, neighbor!
Right here.
No, not that one.
This is the only one's left.
No, we doing that much of
Look.
mine.
I know, I was
We
gonna...
doing that much of
Don't touch your stuff.
It's all empty.
We need
See?
that much of Mayor.
It's all empty.
They're empty, son. There's nothing
These are the
left.
ones left right here.
For later. Well, I can't have later if you use them all.
Okay, that's the only one you got left though.
Look, there's one more sparkler. You want to do the sparkler lure?
Yeah.
Oh, and one of those.
No, I've always been this way.
It's been that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, because,
Do it.
Yeah, it's probably good to...
okay, this is gonna sound
Over here,
so
son.
stupid.
Ready?
I want you to do it.
Alcohol. Very well. And I don't even know how much Indian I've got.
Do you think that it is,
Put it in the flame.
DNA, so to speak.
Don't push it.
How you do it?
Don't hold it toward me.
vodka used to give me a headache, but I just smashed that shit.
Hold that.
Yeah.
Let me do it.
Ooh, that's pretty.
I need butter, Daddy.
You need what?
A bar.
A box?
No, you don't need a box.
No, you
for
don't.
it.
Write your name. Write a J. That's a circle.
Oh, he already passed the J.
Oh, okay.
I just got a lighter.
And that was a cursive A he was making, not an O.
Oh, okay.
Ah.
That's all.
So then you'll do that in the snow.
Yeah.
You're just a rotten kid. I can tell.
Let's do this.
Now what does it...
Well, I grew up in the woods.
Sorry.
That's I mean, you ran, jumped, I mean, just flat out.
That's a lot bigger. Go boy, go boy, go boy. Oh, that's the short version.
He is, but I'd like to keep
And he's done.
golf for as long as I can.
I'm recording. See how big the tree is?
Yeah. Big tree, guys.
Yeah, that's a big tree, guy.
Oh.
Don't lean on the rail, it's broken. Don't stand on it, it's broken. Badly, needs repaired. This thing is massive.
Daddy,
What?
I make journey. Yeah.
Jeez. Say hi!
Hi.
The water is up there.
Oh. It's a water hole.
Yeah.
I know where that tomato over here. So I got tomato.
Oh, that's how you know. Dun dun dun. That's actually from a while ago, I think. But still, yeah, the tomato. Ah, one's laying down. It's not supposed to be that way. Here, could you hold the camera? It's recording, so. I think this person laid on it or something.
Yeah, my driveway on it.
I love that smell. You can smell the tomato. Alright. Here you go. Get down by the roots. Yeah, there you go. Make sure they get a big drink of water. And why you don't want to get the leaves too wet is because if the sun starts getting really hot and it hits the water, it'll burn the leaves and hurt the plant. So squirt down by the roots. Good job, bud. Don't forget the ones over here. You still have a whole rows of plants.
Is that one tomato?
No, this one's tomato.
Okay.
Give it more water than that. Come on, it's thirsty. It's going to have a lot of sunlight today. Alright, that's good. Now get this one, which is little bell peppers. Yeah, squirt down by the base. More. Now you're just playing. Alright, now the beans. More on the beans.
And more on my plant.
Yes, well, the onions just kind of moved up here, but the back, yes, your plant. And I don't know what this is. I have no idea.
Hey, that's a tomato.
Hey! Don't get me wet.
I know.
Yeah, huh? That's... Oh, there's one more.
Now,
Oh.
that's the other one. One more.
And over here, down by the base. It's all about the base. And then just go across through here. There's actually things planted there. They just haven't grown.
Hey, that one grown. What grown?
Yeah, 3-leaf clovers.
Baby grown.
Yeah. And that is gardening with Jack and Dad Van Briggle. Say bye.
We're not there yet. A backyard grass.
We don't have any backyard plants. We only have front yard plants.
You see.
Fine. Go show me the plants that I don't know I have.
See grass.
Those are dead, and they're not really plants. Well,
But
they're
that
plants.
one need water.
It's a weed. It's not supposed to be there.
You still got some more grass.
Hey, Grandpa mowed the yard. Wow. I just now noticed it.
Good. That one.
That's... that don't count either.
We need more deep grass. We want deep grass. Because these didn't get water.
These are the onions that grow every single year.
I want the blood grass. Deep grass. I want deep grass.
These are weeds, and they're sticky, ouchy weeds. If you look closely, see they got little thorns on the tips. So if you touch them, it'll hurt you.
I need to go pee. I'm going to go pee.
Say bye.
Bye.
I'm taking some shots. It's recording.
You want to record it?
Yeah, it's recording.
Okay. So then there...
Aw, little piggy. Look at him, just waggling his tail. He's over there.
That's how I'm That's how they give me
Oh my god, it sounds like midnight.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. I see you there wagging your tail. There we go. Alright. Here he comes. Hi. I'm Fred. Good one. He's chilling in the shade there. Good idea.
I can't push it.
Alright, come on.
I got
We can save until we actually get to some animals. Dude, I like that feather.
Do you want this recording the whole time, or?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And we're going to get people in here, so.
Hey, go ahead and push the button. That button.
I just, oh, I don't know.
Oh, he's tried so hard just to eat it. I don't think he got teeth. Oh.
And he ate some of it.
Don't give him any more because he can't eat it.
Yeah.
Here, it's soft. It's a lot better. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is.
I know, it's cute.
Here, put some down there for you.
There's two ghost roads. Two ghost roads.
Yeah.
I did a ghost road. Well, I did a ghost road at the big ghost.